Imagine a world where incoming missiles vanish in mid-air, drones drop from the sky before they even attack, and AI defense systems react faster than any human alive. Israel's new laser AI and anti-drone technologies aren't just upgrades, they're redefining the future of modern warfare. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most groundbreaking shifts in global defense, Israel's explosive leap into next-generation laser, AI, and anti-drone warfare technology. What's happening right now is nothing short of revolutionary. For decades, nations have relied on expensive missile interceptors, slow human decision-making, and traditional radar systems to defend their skies. But Israel's latest innovations signal a dramatic break from that past. These new systems combine high-energy lasers, advanced artificial intelligence, and automated drone hunting platforms to create a defense network that operates in milliseconds, far faster than any human operator could ever react. And unlike conventional interception systems that cost tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars per shot, these laser technologies can take down threats for just a few dollars worth of electricity. That cost shift alone has massive strategic implications. But the real story isn't just about saving money, it's about speed, adaptability, and redefining how wars will be fought in an era dominated by drones, swarms, and AI-powered weapons. In today's video, we'll break down exactly how these technologies work, why they matter, and what they mean for the future of global security. Let's get started. Israel's defense evolution didn't happen overnight. It was shaped by years of facing constant aerial threats, from rockets to armed drones to loitering munitions designed to overwhelm traditional defenses. The Iron Dome proved game-changing, intercepting thousands of incoming projectiles. But as drone warfare expanded and swarms became a real possibility, it became clear that even the best missile-based systems had limits. Missiles are expensive, and they can be saturated by numerous small, cheap threats. This is where Israel shifted strategy. Instead of trying to improve missile systems indefinitely, defense engineers began searching for something lighter, faster, cheaper, and capable of near-infinite ammunition. That search led to directed energy. The concept of a laser defense system has existed for decades, but what Israel achieved is practical, deployable, and battlefield-ready. These technologies didn't emerge in isolation. They're the result of merging real-world combat experience with cutting-edge scientific development. Over the last decade, the frequency and complexity of drone attacks have increased dramatically, forcing rapid innovation. Israel's answer was to create systems capable of detecting, tracking, and eliminating threats before they even reach populated areas. The result: technology that's transforming global defense strategies and setting a new standard for modern military doctrine. At the center of this transformation is Israel's next-generation laser interception system, often referred to as Iron Beam. Unlike traditional systems, this technology uses directed energy rather than explosive missiles. Here's why that's revolutionary: speed. A laser travels at the speed of light, meaning the time between detection and destruction is nearly instantaneous. That gives defenders the upper hand against fast-moving rockets, mortars, most importantly, drones. The system works by locking onto a target, focusing high-energy beams, and heating structural components until they fail. Within seconds, the target is disabled or completely destroyed. Another advantage is unlimited magazines. As long as the system has power, it can fire again and again, making mass drone swarms much less effective. Weather can affect laser performance, which is one of the few limitations, but Israel has been developing ways to overcome or minimize this through adaptive optics and improved beam intensity. Perhaps the most important factor is cost. Firing a laser costs only a few dollars of electricity. That means destroying cheap enemy drones no longer requires expensive defensive missiles. This cost asymmetry has enormous strategic implications, turning the defensive side into the more economically efficient one for the first time in modern warfare. But lasers alone aren't the whole story. Israel's real breakthrough comes from combining these lasers with artificial intelligence. Modern battlefields are incredibly fast-paced, with drones flying low, fast, and unpredictably. Human operators simply can't track everything at once, especially during swarm attacks where dozens or even hundreds of small drones may approach simultaneously. This is where AI steps in. Israel's new defense networks use machine learning to identify threats automatically, classify them by danger level, and assign the best interception asset, all in milliseconds. These systems can differentiate between harmless objects, friendly drones, and actual hostile weapons. AI doesn't get tired, overwhelmed, or confused by sudden movement. It constantly learns, pulling from massive datasets gathered in real-world conflicts. The AI can detect drone behavior patterns, predict flight paths, and rapidly shift strategies as needed. The result is a defense network that works faster than any human team could ever achieve. This fusion of AI and laser tech is redefining what automated defense really means. It turns complicated, high-pressure decisions into instant responses and dramatically reduces the chance of human error. In the future, AI-controlled defense systems may become the global standard, and Israel is already years ahead in deploying them. Drones are now one of the most dangerous and widely used tools on the battlefield. They are cheap, agile, and capable of carrying explosives or surveillance equipment. But Israel's anti-drone systems have evolved precisely to counter this threat. These platforms combine radar, electro-optical sensors, AI threat analysis, and directed energy to hunt drones automatically. What makes them especially effective is that they're designed for multi-layered defense, long-range detection, mid-range tracking, and close-range interception. Israel's military has deployed ground-based anti-drone laser systems, vehicle-mounted versions, and soon even airborne units. Some systems can fry drone electronics with microwaves, while others disable engines or wings with pinpoint laser beams. These defenses don't just stop individual drones, they're created to counter coordinated drone swarms. Swarm attacks are among the biggest fears of militaries around the world, but Israel's approach neutralizes them by combining automatic threat prioritization with unlimited firing capability. If 50 drones attack at once, the system can target and fire at all 50 in rapid succession without ever needing to reload. This scalability is what sets Israel's technology apart. It transforms anti-drone warfare from reactive to proactive, giving defenders a massive advantage in the conflict zones of the future. What truly elevates Israel's defense ecosystem is the integration of all these technologies into a single, unified network. AI doesn't just operate one system, it coordinates lasers, radars, missiles, electronic warfare, decoys, and more. Imagine a digital brain overseeing the entire airspace, constantly analyzing incoming data and making instant decisions. If a drone approaches at low altitude, the AI may choose a laser. If a larger missile is incoming from long range, it may activate an interceptor. If several drones appear in a swarm pattern, it might deploy microwave disruptors. Every tool is selected based on cost, effectiveness, and urgency. This synchronized system reduces waste, increases efficiency, and makes the overall defense far stronger than the sum of its parts. It's the equivalent of having 1,000 operators working in perfect harmony, except the machine operates faster and with total precision. Israel's ability to merge sensors, AI, and interception systems into a seamless whole is what makes its new defense technologies so advanced. These systems don't just react, they anticipate, they adapt, they learn, and over time, they become even more efficient. This level of integration is a blueprint for the future of military defense worldwide. These advancements aren't just theoretical, they've already been tested in real-world conflicts. Israel's laser systems have successfully intercepted rockets, drones, and other aerial threats during operational trials and live engagements. Anti-drone AI platforms have downed hostile UAVs in seconds, identifying them long before human operators could react. These battlefield successes prove that the technology isn't just futuristic, it's practical, deployable, and highly effective today. One of the most impressive demonstrations involved destroying multiple drones simultaneously during test scenarios. The laser targeted each incoming threat with pinpoint accuracy, eliminating them one by one in rapid succession. This kind of performance shows the global military community that cheap drones and mass swarm attacks, once considered nearly unstoppable, now have a formidable countermeasure. Unlike experimental defensive systems that stay in labs for decades, Israel's laser and AI systems are already moving toward large-scale deployment. This real-world validation is what sets Israel apart and why so many nations are watching closely. It proves that the shift from missile interception to directed energy is not only possible but inevitable. As these systems continue to evolve, the gap between traditional defense methods and next-generation technology will only grow wider. The political and strategic implications of Israel's new defense technologies are enormous. For one, they dramatically alter the cost dynamics of warfare. For decades, attackers have used cheap rockets or drones to force defenders to spend thousands of dollars per intercept. But with laser systems costing only a few dollars per shot, the financial advantage flips. This new cost structure may discourage certain types of attacks altogether, knowing they will no longer drain a nation's defense budget. Additionally, these technologies shift global power dynamics. Countries that adopt AI-driven defense networks will gain a decisive edge over adversaries still relying on older systems. Israel's breakthroughs also raise questions about proliferation. Who gets access to these technologies, and how will they be regulated? Nations eager to modernize their defenses are already expressing interest in laser-based systems. The spread of such advanced tools could reshape alliances and defense cooperation agreements. But there is also a philosophical dimension. As AI becomes more deeply integrated into military decision-making, governments must address ethical concerns about automation, autonomy, and the potential for unintended consequences. Israel's systems rely on human oversight, but the line between human-controlled and AI-directed warfare is rapidly blurring. While Israel leads the field today, the global race for laser and AI-driven defense is accelerating. Major world powers, including the United States, China, and several European nations, are developing their own directed energy systems. But Israel's battlefield experience gives it a unique advantage. Nations aren't just building lasers, they're studying how Israel deploys them, integrates them with sensors, and uses AI to automate the decision process. Future advancements may include higher power lasers capable of longer range interceptions, compact systems mounted on drones or aircraft, and AI that can predict attacks before they even launch. The next decade will likely see defense shifting from explosive weapons to energy-based interceptors in the same way militaries once transitioned from swords to firearms. But speed matters. Countries that innovate fastest will dominate the new defense landscape. Israel is currently setting the pace, but competition will push every nation forward. The long-term consequence, a world where defense systems are cheaper, faster, and more autonomous, and where the sky becomes a battlefield dominated by algorithms and light beams rather than missiles and explosives. What we're seeing today is only the beginning of a much larger global transformation. So what does all of this mean for the future of warfare? Israel's new laser, AI, and anti-drone technologies mark a major shift away from traditional military strategies. Instead of relying on expensive missiles or slow manual responses, nations are moving toward instant, automated, cost-efficient defense systems. This doesn't just change how militaries fight, it changes how they plan, how they spend, and how they deter enemies. In the coming years, battles may be shaped not by who has the most firepower, but by who has the smartest systems. That means AI decision-making, laser precision, and multi-layered drone defenses could become the new norm worldwide. We're entering an era where defense happens at the speed of light and where drones and autonomous systems dominate the battlefield. Israel's innovations are at the forefront of this shift, offering a glimpse into a future where war is fought with algorithms, energy beams, and unmatched automation. The countries that adapt quickly will stay secure. Those that cling to old strategies may find themselves dangerously unprepared. As laser defense spreads across the globe, one thing becomes clear: the future of warfare has already arrived, and it's powered by AI and light itself. If you found this deep dive fascinating, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our newest breakdowns of global tech and defense innovations. Drop a comment below with what topic you want us to cover next.